Hey everyone, thanks for checking out this Hunt's Quick Look video. My name is Josh and today I'm looking at the new Sigma 14mm F1.4 art lens for L and E mount. Sigma is back with an incredible addition to their art series, this time adding what is currently the world's widest f1.4 single focal length lens. Designed specifically for astrophotographers, high-end landscape and architecture photographers, the 14mm 1.4 is as precise as it is sharp. It features a tripod socket due to its larger footprint, a lens heater retainer for those dewy nights, and a specialized rear filter holder. The lens cap has also been specifically designed with filter slots and a brand new locking mechanism. This lens has undergone thorough aberration and sagittal coma flare correction to help retain the shape of any celestial bodies in the sky. Ghosting and overall flaring have also been addressed through the optical design as well as the front element coatings. A few other features include a declickable aperture ring, a customizable AFL button and focus ring, and a dust and splash proof body. Like I said at the top, this lens was designed specifically with astrophotographers in mind, but it will be a useful tool for high-end architecture or landscape photographers as well. This lens was built with the high build quality you have come to expect from Sigma's art series, which allows the user to use this lens to its full potential in a wide variety of environments. Thank you so much for checking out this Hunt's Quick Look video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an upload. As always, my name is Josh, and if you have any other questions about this lens specifically or anything else camera related, please don't hesitate to give us a call, send us an email, reach out on one of our socials, or simply stop by one of our 8 stores located around New England.